Oh my God! Rosie, kapakilala mo kasi ako.
James is my good friend here, DJ Chacha.
Kasi yung normal na pagpapakilala, nag-shake hands sila.
Hindi lang shake hands.
Pero sa amin, sa lugar namin, pag nag-hi, ay Chacha.
May kasamang hug? Yan. Mga 5 seconds na hug yan. DJ Chacha, I'll give you a challenge here at the Academy Center. Kaya mo makihug habang eating na si James Reid in his face for 10 seconds. 10 segundo. Yakapin lang siya. Yakapin lang siya. Tingnan lang siya mga yakapin siya. 10 segundo.
Titignan ko sa mukha.
Titignan ka pa. Okay. 3.
Nagawa ko to.
Oh. Gagawin ko rin. Hindi. Sorry, go. With 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 and a half.
Hindi ko kaya. Magkukulabs ako, sorry. Pero ito, sa mga kapamilya natin nandito ngayon, our app boyfie, James Reid.
Oh, thank you so much. I just want to say thank you to everyone who watched my app boyfie. Also, to the readers. Thank you so much for coming. Also, look out for our new movie starring Eddie Luz Reynay, Julia Barreto, Inigo Pascual, and more. It's called Paris of Hopeless Romantics. So watch out for it.
Yun. Grabe yung crowd dun, no? Nagsisiyawan.
Ayan na, nag-aagulo na daw.
Sumasayaw sila para sa gumagan.
Feeling ko, Robbie, wala nang mahihiling pa si James ngayon. Ang team ko, magbibigay ka ng mga mensahe sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon na sumusuporta sa'yo. What's your Christmas message for them?
I just want to say thank you to all the fans. Thank you so much for watching my boyfie. But my Christmas wish is for, all of you to enjoy Paris Hopeless Romantic. It's going to be really good. I know you'll like it.
Alright, this time around, since we're celebrating Christmas, actually, hindi.